In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit the style sheets applied to a specific page in Hubspot. This is a helpful skill when you want a single page to look different from the rest of your site without changing your global styles. Instead of affecting everything, you will target the styling only for the page you are working on. To begin, open Hubspot and go to the place where your website pages are managed. In Hubspot, look for Content and then select Website Pages. Once you are there, you will see a list of your existing pages. Now, open your page. Click the page you want to update so you can access its settings. Take a moment to make sure you are editing the correct page, because the goal is to apply styles specifically to this one page. Next, click Settings. This is where Hubspot gathers options that control how the page behaves and how it is configured. If you do not see the Settings option right away, check that you are in the page editing area, not just browsing the list. Once you open Settings, you will typically see more advanced options appear, and that is where the styling controls are located. After that, open Advanced. This section is designed for more detailed configuration, including settings that affect page-level customization. Go ahead and click into Advanced, and then look for an area labeled Page Style Sheets. This is the key part of the process because it tells HubSpot which CSS files are attached to the page. When you find Page Style Sheets, you are ready to add or change the style sheet for this specific page. Now click Attach a Style Sheet. This action allows you to connect a CSS file to the page. You will usually be prompted to choose from existing CSS files that are already uploaded or available in your account. Select your CSS file. Before you confirm, it is a good idea to double-check that the file you selected matches the changes you want. If you have multiple CSS files, choosing the right one helps avoid unexpected styling results. When you have the correct CSS file selected, click Save. Saving is important because it applies the attachment to the page configuration. If you skip saving, your changes may not be stored and the page may not use the style sheet when you view it later. After saving, you should pause briefly and confirm that the style sheet appears in the Page Style Sheets area, indicating that it is now attached to this page. Finally, publish the page. Publishing is what makes the page-level changes go live and visible to visitors. Until you publish, the updates may only be available in a draft or preview state. Click Publish and allow the process to complete. Once the page is published, you can return to the page and check the styling to confirm that the CSS is applying as intended. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.